Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make scrunch. Let's get started. This is what I wear very often this summer. I'm gonna cut the hem because it's too long. Let's snip that hem off. Take the freshly cut hem and let's make a scrunch. Remove all the stitches and hem. Now I got 3 pieces and I'm gonna pick the longest one. Measuring 4 inches wide and 34 inches long. After ironing, fold in half right sides together and sew. Flip it inside out. Take both ends and stitch them right sides together. Get those 2 pins ready. One's gonna secure and the other's inserting through the casing. And tie those elastic band ends together. Close up that opening with a sewing machine or hand stitch. I made a smaller size too, and made another one using the hem of another dress. Thank you for watching.